Here I have used Arduino, GSM modem, PIR sensor and light detector circuit. Let me show the connections of Arduino. The power supply for Arduino is connected from PC. The power supply for PIR sensor is taken from the Arduino board, which is enough to run PIR sensor. The output of the PIR sensor is connected to second digital pin of the Arduino. This is a PIR sensor. Then this is a light sensor. This light sensor is made up of Na555 IC. This is a LDR which is connected to Na555. The output pin of the Na555 is connected to third digital pin of the Arduino. The power supply for light detector is also taken from the Arduino. The power supply for GSM modem is given by external adapter of 12 volt 2 ampere. This is a program which I have burned in Arduino. Here I have defined second pin for PIR sensor input and third pin for a light detector input. These are the GSM initialization commands. When the Arduino detects output from the PIR sensor or light sensor, it will make AT commands to the GSM modem so that GSM modem will call to my phone. Let me show the working of this system. Here the PIR sensor detecting motion. It sends output to the Arduino and the Arduino will send AT commands to the GSM modem. The GSM modem will call to my phone. Let me show the working of the light sensor. Now I am going to open the box so that the LDR can detect the light. The light detector detects the light and sends output to the Arduino and GSM modem calling to my phone.